Infor Factory Track for Cloud Suite Industrial. The different types of employees that are supported in the shop floor module. We have two types of employees. We either have dedicated employees, who are typically the supervisors, who have a dedicated computer for their own use and have a matching user record in Factory Track. Or we have generic employees. These are typically shop floor workers using a common terminal out on the shop floor. They log in to perform a transaction, then log back out. These use a generic Factory Track user to log into the terminal. So if we look at a dedicated employee, we can see that the username is set. This determines that whenever this user logs into Factory Track, they will automatically be linked with this employee. So a dedicated employee needs to log into Factory Track with their user credentials. The user then automatically enters the shop floor module for the linked employee number and can now access the shop floor transactions they have been given access to. The generic employee, however, has no username associated with it. So the logic here is the employee finds a terminal with the employee authentication screen displayed. The terminal has already been logged into Factory Track with a generic user account. The employee then scans in their badge, optionally can enter a PIN number if required, and can now access the shop floor transactions they have been given access to. Typically, the employee will then log out after completing their task to allow the next employee to log in using the employee authentication again.